I visualize the audience of every YouTube video. 20% of viewers have already left, and to fix this, I visualize the audience of a video right underneath it while you watched. I know this from the data that YouTube gives us. Everything you need is there, but it's really difficult to come to a helpful conclusion that I can later on improve in my videos. I started thinking on how I could better represent this data. I imagined that I am in a theater watching a movie with everyone else. What would you think if suddenly half the audience leaves and as you see the movie, you also see the audience leaving? And that gave me an idea. What if below the video I simulate the audience watching, and while I watch the video, I watch the audience as well. So when a person decides to leave the video, I'll see him literally leaving my video. But videos can easily reach 1 million views. Even my videos can reach more than 1,000 views. And I cannot represent 1,000 or million people under the video. It would be difficult to see a person leaving from there. That's why I decided to just represent 100 people, and that will be a percentage from all the viewers from the current video. And how would each audience member look like? I once again took inspiration from the theaters. When you want to buy a spot for the theater, there is a graph with all the seats, and the brighter ones are already taken and the gray ones are available for you to buy. So I'll just have a theater representation of the seats just below the video. And this is how it looks like. I have to learn a book on probability, and today I'm going to make the process a lot easier. My usual process for learning a book is to read it. This is one of my videos. Below the video is the audience. As the video continues to play, we see that a lot of people are leaving. Now compare this to what YouTube gives us as YouTube creators to see when the audience leaves, just a regular graph. I wanted to make it even more obvious when the audience loses interest by making the video gradually disappear as the audience leaves. Likely you would have thought of a regular person explain the information for that particular note. So by the end of the video, it's almost completely dark and the audio is close to zero. This should make it extremely obvious that the audience has completely lost interest by this point. Now compare this to just looking at the number on a graph. This is huge difference. For ease of use, this is a Firefox extension, so there are no needed extra steps to do after installing it and setting it up. Just go to one of your videos and with a click of a button, it toggles everything. You can easily show it and hide it. And the brightness and audio of the video resets automatically when you close it. There is no need to copy and paste data from YouTube Analytics. The extension automatically gets the data by using the YouTube Analytics API. For personal use, you would have to create an API key and an OAuth client ID. The extension was made just in a few days. If you're interested to create your own extensions, I have a Git repository with all kinds of documents of everything I've learned. I'm here to motivate you to improve your life with coding.